Hi, I'm Delfino with John's Waterproofing, and today we're going to be installing a triple safe sump system. I'm going to go over each part of this sump pump system. All right, so this is our primary pump, Zoller M53, and here we have our backup sump pump, the Ultra Sump, that will be attaching to the primary pump. And this sump pump is our M98. This is a mechanical device pump as well as the primary. So this all makes it a triple safe sump pump system. Alright guys, so one of the things with the sump pump system, they come with the pump stand, and we gotta make sure that it goes with each pump separately. The first one, M53 with the Ultra Sump, comes with one pump stand. They latch inside right here in place. The M98 comes with two pump stands. The reason why is because we want the primary pump to cycle first all the time. When it can't keep up with too much volume of water coming in, this will be in action. That's why it's a little bit higher, so that once this one can't keep up, the other one will come in effect. This is called a bridge. It goes in between both of in between the sump pump. What it does is you put the pipe against it and it'll hold it so that both pumps don't touch each other and won't cause it to stop working. So guys, so this material is called drywall. It goes on the concrete. And what it does, it collects water intrusion that comes from the outside into the concrete wall. As you can see here, these are signs of water intrusion. And it also collects moisture from the concrete wall. It breathes, it's porous, so it creates condensation. And all that will drain into the water guard channel that we're gonna be installing in a second. And all the water collected is gonna drain into the sump pump. Now we're going to install our water guard system along the perimeter of the basement to collect water from the ground and from the wall as well. All right, so this is a clean out port. It goes into the water guard channel. As you can see, I created an opening here, and then we'll put this on here, and then we'll put concrete around it. And once it's all finished, this is accessible for us to come out and service it once a year. We'll put a hose in there, we'll flush everything out, and all of the water that I flush is gonna be going to the sump pump. Now that we have installed the bright wall and the water guard, we're gonna be pouring the concrete to create a seamless look. Now that the concrete is installed, I'm placing the lid on the triple safe, and our electricians will be coming next to install a dedicated outlet for the triple safe sump pump. We're gonna be installing the Ultra Sump alarm. This tells you the life of the battery. So now that we've installed the bright wall, the triple safe sump pump, and the water guard system, any water intrusion that comes from the outside or underneath the slab will be collected. It'll drain via gravity into our triple safe system. It'll pump it out away from the house. So now we're gonna have a basement that is dry, stable, and healthy.